Hello everyone. Now welcome to the first actual session of creating something new in the Power BI. So all the students who have already downloaded Power BI in their laptops or if you are using the web version, both audience will do the same things. Only the options might be a little bit different in the web version. Okay, currently I am showing you the desktop version, nothing else. So whatever activities I am going to do, similar activities you have to do. This will help you to understand what we are going to perform. Okay. So first of all, let us understand that with the help of data set, how we can draw the charts. And before that, we need to connect data set. So let us take an example of any random data set and let us start our first dashboard making or first data connection. Okay, so we have to connect data. This is the first step in the Power BI that we are going to see. So first of all, we are having here different options. Import the data from Excel. We can attach Excel file with this option. We can attach other sources like SQL also, a blank table also. We can create our own data set here, or there are another sources. Okay, so let's say imagine you have to connect Word file, CSV file, any other document. You can connect that also. Here is the option, or you can find this option here also. Get the data. Same options are there. Okay, you just click on more and you can find many different options are there for your company. Whichever is the suitable option, you can connect. For example, if I am having only basic requirement to learn Power BI, I will start with Excel. Slowly I need to also learn how to analyze PDF, or then I will also learn SAP HANA to connect with the Power BI. Okay, then I will slowly connect other data sources also. Okay, there are a lot of different things that we can connect with our Power BI. Okay, so this is understanding about our Power BI data set. First of all, let us understand with the basics of Excel. I will click on this connect, and automatically it will ask me to upload any file which I want to connect. Simple. So I will open any random file, okay, which I want to open, and I can start checking that file. Okay, so let's say for example, I have opened a file which is of my real life client, and this is the sales data. It is a sales data, means it is a financial data, and I'm showing this financial data to you. Now you can understand that this financial data is the confidential data, and we are hiding all the customer details and phone numbers to avoid any kind of data a violation of any data privacy. Okay, now whatever I'm going to show you, I'm going to connect a file with this Power BI and show it to you. Okay, we are going to analyze that data and we are going to check whether my client is having a good financial progress or not. I'm having this data set from November 2025 till March 2026. Let us analyze this data set and let us see what happens with us. So first of all, let me connect this data set. Okay, so to connect this data set, okay, so to connect this data set, what I'm going to do is go to this get data Excel workbook. It is asking me to upload any file. So I will upload my required file over here, and there is a window that will open and it will ask me to check my data set. In my Excel, there is only sheet 1. If you have a big data set, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, all sheets can be connected, or you can connect any sheet which you want to analyze. Then I can click on load, or I can click on transform. What do you mean by load and transform? If you want to edit some data here, if you want to make some editing before analyzing data, then you can transform the data and go ahead. Currently, let us keep it very simple. We will just click on load, and automatically it should, you know, start, connecting with my Power BI. Automatically on the right hand side, I can see my data. So I am not doing anything. I'm just waiting because I have already informed you this particular software will take some time to load. So do not do anything to your laptop, just wait. And now I can see finally data is connected, so I am now checking this. This is a sales data for a jewelry shop, and you can see here different type of columns are there. Okay, so you can now check what I can do with this data. This is how you can connect your data. Okay, this is how you connect your data. Now I can go upside and I can make this hide. I can connect now sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, or I can connect file 2, file 3, file 4. Files are different, sheets are different. One file can have multiple sheets, so I can connect sheets also of a single file, or I can connect multiple files also at a time. Okay, so I'm not making it too complex currently, keep it very simple, and we have connected single data set with us. Okay, now in this way, data connection is successful. In the next video, let us transform the data and understand what do you mean by transformation of the data. See here, the button is there, transform data. We are going to transform the data. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you.